look at the state of those windows as well. Alright mate?
How you doing, mate? You alright?
I'm good, thanks. How are you doing?
Yeah.
Bit of messaging going on there?
Yeah, you know how it is.
You can't be doing that, man.
Mate, I'm in traffic. You alright, yeah?
It's alright to message in traffic, is it? Yeah, go on.
I appreciate your concern. I think it's quite a moral thing to do. And life is all about calculated risk, I would guess, I would assume.
There's some truth in that. The problem is the risk you're taking by doing that is not with your own life, it's with my life.
Yeah, exactly. But as I said, it's calculated risk, you know, so me in traffic and you alongside here.
It's a nice car you have.
I work bloody hard, mate. It's not worth it sometimes, I'm telling you.
We all work hard.
Yeah, but really, sometimes you think about it, it's really not worth it.
After you, mate. You have a good day.